The electric vehicle EV market in China has experienced explosive growth, positioning the country as a global leader in EV production. However, this rapid expansion has led to a worrying situation in which several electric vehicle manufacturers are now facing bankruptcy, giving rise to so-called electric vehicle graveyards. Understanding the challenges these manufacturers face is crucial, as it sheds light on the sustainability of the industry. The implications of these bankruptcies go beyond the companies themselves. They raise significant environmental concerns and economic repercussions. As we explore this topic, we will discuss how these developments impact not only the future of electric vehicle technology, but also the broader landscape of sustainable mobility in China and beyond. The rise of EV manufacturers in China. In the last 10 years, China has witnessed an extraordinary rise in electric vehicle EV manufacturers, driven largely by government incentives aimed at reducing pollution and promoting sustainable transportation. These incentives created fertile ground for companies like NIO, XPeng, and BYD, which have emerged as key players in the market. Initially, consumer enthusiasm for electric vehicles grew, fueled by the promise of innovative technologies and eco-friendly alternatives to traditional cars. This enthusiasm not only boosted sales but also encouraged further investment in research and development. As these manufacturers continue to evolve, they play a key role in shaping the future of mobility in China and beyond. The change in market dynamics. The electric vehicle market is undergoing a significant transformation, characterized by increased competition among manufacturers, which has strained profitability. With the arrival of new players in the market, established brands are leveraging their reputation, making it difficult for newer companies to gain traction. Furthermore, supply chain issues and rising production costs have further complicated the landscape, forcing many EV manufacturers to rethink their business models. These challenges are amplified by changing consumer preferences, increasingly leaning towards well-known brands that offer reliability and trust. As a result, many emerging companies are struggling to survive, leading to a wave of bankruptcies that could redefine the future of the electric vehicle industry. The emergence of EV graveyards. Across China, abandoned electric vehicles are becoming a disturbing reality, with graveyards forming in various locations, from urban centers to remote areas. The scale of this problem is alarming, as thousands of decommissioned electric vehicles dot the landscape, a chilling reminder of the rapid rise and fall of the industry. The environmental impact of these abandoned vehicles is significant, particularly concerning battery disposal, which poses serious risks to soil and water quality. Each vehicle has its own story, often reflecting the dreams of consumers who invested in the promise of green technology, only to find themselves with an unusable car. These graveyards serve as a warning of the risks facing the electric vehicle market. Case studies of bankrupt EV manufacturers. Several electric vehicle manufacturers have gone bankrupt, with Faraday Future being a notable example. Despite initial excitement and massive investments, the company struggled with production delays, poor financial management, and fierce competition. These difficulties led to its downfall, serving as a lesson for the industry. The reasons for such failures often include insufficient funding, supply chain issues, and the inability to meet consumer expectations. The impact of these bankruptcies goes beyond individual companies, affecting employees who lose their jobs and investors who suffer significant financial losses. These cases highlight the importance of sustainable business practices and strategic planning in a rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. The future of the EV market in China. While the electric vehicle market in China faces current challenges, the possible consolidation among manufacturers could reshape the landscape. This could lead to stronger, more resilient companies better able to compete in a crowded market. Innovations in battery technology, autonomous driving, and charging infrastructure are set to revolutionize the industry, making electric vehicles more attractive to consumers. Additionally, government policies will play a crucial role in supporting sustainable growth, with incentives and regulations aimed at promoting green technology. By creating a more stable environment, the government can help ensure that the future of electric vehicles in China remains bright, paving the way for a cleaner and more efficient transportation system. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others interested in the future of electric vehicles. Your support helps us bring you valuable content.